They hold him, they beat him, and put 7 tires on his neck and burn him to death.
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel, KONGSSIP TV, for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If today is the first time you're stopping across my YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. May God bless you as you sat in. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. So my beautiful people, the matter on top of our table now about this lady wey don come out with her family and her relatives come cry for help, say matter no dey easy where she dey. Oh yes, say she needs help, she needs support, especially from the Nigerian police. So my people, I go leave una the video, make una watch by una self. But before that, please, if you're still here, you've not subscribed, please do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button and turning on your post notification, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to write in the comment section what you think about the video, and I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
21st of October 2020, that fateful day, exactly around 10:11, he went out with his bike to get food and also withdraw money for the family. So on his way back, he met some group of guys that went to Olemoro police station to attack police people, but on his way, like, the policemen killed one of them. So on their way back, my husband ran into them. So one of them pointed, said, this man is a policeman, Igwe. So they captured him, but he denied that he was not a policeman. They searched him and brought out his they saw his ID card. They collected his phone, they went through the phone, they saw him with the police uniform. So they now asked him, you are a policeman, you are going to die today. They first of all burned his bike. They hold him, they beat him, they beat him. On that day when he wants to go out, my daughter was telling him not to go. Daddy, don't go out, don't go out. I told him that he's coming back now, that I just want to get fuel, which my daughter is also hoping to see him, because every day he used to have Daddy say he's coming back. When he say coming back, and then I was pregnant, I was 3 months pregnant. Thank God today I had a baby boy, a baby girl today. So he went out, he didn't come back. They killed him and put 7 tires on his neck and burned him to death. They took his ATM, they took everything. They went and withdraw all everything he has with his ATM. They took his phone, everything. They left us with nothing.
That fateful day they killed him up, so 21st October 2020, both of us are supposed to have a meeting based on my colleague nephew that want to have a wedding. So getting to his place, because he said I should come, getting to his place, I was told that he just left home to Aweyaya. Within 30 minutes, I was standing there while the daughter was making her, I saw her face, tears. I was like, what is wrong with her? She's sleeping. They said she was crying before her father left. Before I finished saying a word, I had a Okada man. I was he was calling, madam, madam, madam. I went out. I was the person that went to answer him. I said, what is it? He now told me that a policeman, Mopo has been killed. They killed Mopo. Before people start coming in, we all gathered to go to the place because it's not far from our place. The people stop us that we shouldn't go, that it's not safe for us to go.
So I was trying to run. They said I should not go. That those boys are coming to my house. They're actually looking for the police people and their children with their wives. So we now run out of the house. We will not even sleep out that day.
It was unbelievable that people that had known him were involved in this murder. We kept talking about what we can do because tension was still high in Lagos and or in all the environments after the NSAS riots. we gathered funds together, and we proceeded and encouraged the family to follow suit so that we can go to the Yaba Infectious Disease Center to do the proper thing. Unfortunately for us, when we got to Yaba to get the whole the victim processed and profiled, we met a brick wall. We had to pay for everything because at that time they were almost through with the NSAS victims. Fortunately for us, we were able to do that, and we paid all through so that the right things were done. And it will alarm you to know that a full-fledged human being ended up being in the polythene bag.
So, which we will now carry it to the village for to bury. Ever since he died, nobody has even come to ask of us, the police force. Apart from even where he works, we have not seen anything.
When we heard about the panel of inquiry graciously set up by the Sanwo-Olu administration, and we proceeded to drop our petition with the panel of inquiry, and we gave our contact details, expecting that they will get back to us on the day we have to come, and the widow has to come and testify. Unfortunately, till date, we've not heard any single thing from them. We also tried to put letters across to various government agencies that we are talking about for victims to come up. Unfortunately, no single person has called to even find out what happened, talk less of doing something about it.
Since my life has not been easy. Thank God today, deliver with tears. I thank God the God that saw me through. I've not been easy at all. I have 3 children, pay the school fees, pay house rent. So I've not been easy at all. Before I married him, he was a policeman, and we have been married for over 8 years now. He's a very gentle person. He doesn't look for trouble. He's a very good man. He likes to help people. Doesn't look for trouble at all. He's a very gentle man. We are not secured. I'm not secured with my children. I have 3 children. So all I'm asking is compensation. I can't have 3 children. I can't take care of them alone. I have to go to school. I have to eat. Only me cannot do it. So all I'm asking is for compensation.